Hi creeps, welcome to another episode of House of Bugs. Please make yourselves at home and get ready to spookify.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not...
As you can see, today I'll be transforming myself into the iconic Beetlejuice once again. I'll also be teaching you the important differences between cream and grease makeup and how you can use them this Halloween season. Now, I've spookified into the Ghost with the Most a few times before. But when I saw Spirit Halloween's new Beetlejuice collection, I just had to do an updated version. While we're on the subject, I'd love to give a huge thank you to Spirit Halloween for sponsoring another year of Halloween content. I've been shopping at Spirit Halloween since I first started my House of Bugs journey into special effects and spookifying. They are the one-stop shop for everything Halloween related, from costumes to home decor to party goods to makeup. You'll be able to find whatever your horror heart desires this Halloween season at Spirit. Now, I know you're all curious about how I got this look done, so let's jump into the tutorial. But first, we must start with a fresh, clean base. For Beetlejuice's ghostly white complexion, we'll be applying Spirit Halloween's water-based white cream makeup. It is non-toxic, buildable but opaque, and easy to remove. If you intend on wearing this look out, then I would suggest applying a water-based primer first to optimize the duration of your makeup. And remember, cream makeup is typically best applied with a makeup sponge for optimal blending. Creams are most ideal for your base as they allow you to have more coverage and the ability to mix colors and create a unique blend perfect for any creature. Now we are going to add dimension to the face using Spirit Halloween's grease makeup. Grease makeup is oil-based, has a sheerer coverage, but the colors are more vibrant, perfect for any detail work and shading. I'll be using the purple shade to add a contour to my cheeks and make them look more hollow. You can apply grease makeup with a sponge for fuller coverage, but I will be using a combination of brush and blender to shade it all out. To avoid smudging, it's best to set grease makeup with a translucent face powder, or in this case, an eyeshadow similar in color. Once I've laid the groundwork for a beautiful bio-exorcist, we can apply some finishing touches. I'll be jumping back into Spirit Halloween's cream makeup in the shade green to add a mossy texture around my face using a brush for preciseness. And voila, we are looking hotter than Dante's Inferno. If you want to recreate my Beetlejuice look, make sure you grab your mask. No, not that mask. And safely head to your Spirit Halloween store for everything you need to complete the look. But before you go, check the description for a sneaky 20% off coupon code. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon for another Spookify.